This is something that I figured out way too late in my muscle up journey, and once I got it, my muscle ups just started to look so much smoother and so much cleaner, which is essentially what we're looking for. We don't just want to get up over the bar like a CrossFitter. We want this muscle up to look super clean and beautiful. So what I'm going to teach you today is the overhand grip, and then I'm going to show you the difference between muscle ups with a normal grip that you might be doing, so without an overhand grip, and with an overhand grip, and you're going to be able to see how and why the muscle up with an overhand grip is just so much cleaner and smoother. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to put our palms on top of the bar and also our thumbs, okay, like so. So I'm gripping the bar like this, and then when I come down into dead hang, like so, I'm maintaining that position. This already does some of the work of the transition, because if you think about it, if you're gripping like this, you've got a lot more work to do to flick the elbows over and to get them over your hand, and also your wrist could jam. So we could get this thing happening here, and then we have to do that. Whereas if we start with the overhand grip, we take that out of it, and all we have to do is just move the elbow, and we don't need to focus on trying to get the elbow to move around the wrist so much, as there's no jamming that's occurring here. And so overhand grip, make sure that your thumbs are over, hands are over. So now that we know how to do the overhand grip, let me show you the difference between an underhand grip and an overhand grip muscle up. With the underhand grip, you'll see that for the transition, you're pulling yourself into the bar more, and you have to work much harder to get yourself over the bar, and it's a lot less clean. Whereas with the overhand, because some of the transition is already being done for you, you're able to keep space between the bar, and this allows you to move a lot more seamlessly over the bar. In future, when you're practicing your muscle ups, use an overhand grip. You're going to be able to perform them so much more effectively, and ultimately you're going to have a nice clean muscle up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.